Being a student athlete is interesting, juggling between engineering, which is a course that has a lot of content, and rallying during the weekends. The mother and daughter dynamic in the car, it's clear that I'm the driver and she's the co-driver, and we both respect each other's rules. Growing up, I spent a lot of time around my parents, so I've been quite comfortable around them, so transitioning from that into the car, it hasn't been much of a challenge.
When we're in the car, the mother-daughter thing is mom-daughter. When you close the doors, a navigator driver. So you have to have that sync where you're listening, I'm listening to her. Then when we start driving, of course she needs to listen to me now when she's driving.
I am a project manager at our family business, Samani Construction. Between work and rallying, a lot of stuff that's common, a lot of skills that kind of balance between the two. I bumped into Deep after he came back from the US. For the past, I think, 5 years or 6 years, we've been together. It's been a really fun journey. Again, we've won several championships together. Most recently, the ARC3 champions.
Mini Mukulima. We do coffee farming and dairy cattle. Nikhil being a paraplegic, so he's paralyzed from the waist down. All his controls are on the hands. For me, in the car, how I help him is a call, like when I write the notes, like pull or something like that.
Being an aeronautical engineer does help with regards to understanding your car mechanically. Myself, I'm very keen to understand how systems work. Once I understand, it's easy to then respect the system as you operate it. I really enjoyed last year. As much as we didn't win the championship, we won the races that we participated in. The sweet ones is when you really have to fight to make it to the top.
It's about trust. Over the years, you build the trust, you build the chemistry. It's about understanding one another. There is no blame game between me and Karan in the car. If I make a mistake, it's we made a mistake. If he makes a mistake, it's we made a mistake.
I own a metal fabrication company and aluminium fabrication company. I also own a car detailing center. Safari Rally, the terrain is very different. There's a lot of sand, there are a lot of stones, so that is one thing that I can tell you really scares.
Me and Oscar, first of all, we need to sync to make sure that his life is safe and the team is happy. I make sure my pace notes are on point, no mistakes. It is always hard to bring the driver down because for them they think it is always maximum.
Apart from racing, professionally I'm a merchandiser. I love games and anything related to engines. Rally is about consistency, it's about growth, it's about discipline. Once I'm in the car, my goal is to give the best performance that I can.
Sitting down with Queen and learning about the method she used as a co-driver was inspiring, shaping, and elevating our performance to where we are today.
Very thankful for the support we've had from the KCB group.
Without the support, it would have been very difficult for us to even contend for the title last year.
It's more than a corporate for us, it's family.
It's motivating also to see them supporting women in different spheres.
They've come in and saved us big time. I am truly, truly grateful to BPR Rwanda for believing in me from the very, very beginning.
It's amazing to us. We'll try our best to remain at the top.